everyone! Today's video is about unboxing my very first Christian Dior bag that I just purchased at Real website. So if you are interested, keep watching. Hi, welcome to our channel. So if you are new, we are based here in Las Vegas and we do videos about our lifestyle, about the activities that we do, all the things that we do outdoors. And today's video is about unboxing the bag that I just purchased at Real website. It's my first time. I've never used this website before. Somebody just told me about it and I just want to try and see. So what is Real? To those who doesn't know, this is an online marketplace for authenticated luxury consignment. So they sell luxury bags, clothing, jewelry, and home decor. This is my very first time using Real to purchase my luxury bag. Why purchase at Real website? Because of our economy right now, I just don't want to spend too much money for a bag. So that's why I try to purchase it here. Okay, now let's go to the fun part. Let's open our box. It's right here. I just received it today. I ordered it Sunday, so it arrived after 5 days. Let's see how it looks like. And you guys will tell me if this is really an authentic Christian Dior bag. Excited to see what's in here. So I ordered a red bag, not so small bag, it's like a medium-sized bag. And ta-dang! It's right there. Let's see. This is inside the box, the Real. And it says we authenticate every item. So it has all the phone number, the CEO, their stores, I think. Yeah, their stores and offices. And then this is my receipt, the packing slip. The price is $5.95 plus tax and shipping, so it came out to 600 something, 650 I believe. Let's see. And this is the bag. Nice. Medium size, red. And it says, oh, this is a Real tag. Let's smell. It's okay, smells okay. And it's in excellent condition. Look, there's no stain. It's nice. It looks new. It's slightly used according to the website. So it has this handle. It's in leather. Okay. There's a snap here. And it has this Christian Dior made in Italy here inside, and then there is a number. Yeah, I was looking at the original Christian Dior bags. That's what it says here. If you wanna know if your bag is real, there should be this thing here with the name and then the numbers at the back of this one. So it has that, so that means it's real. There's a pocket here. Zipper. And there's another pockets here for phone or something. 2, 1, 2. Yeah, it's nice. Nice looking bag. It looks real. There's no scratches. Nothing. I wonder what year this one was made, or this style was first introduced. I don't know. So it's a shoulder bag. And then handbag. Cool. And this one is in the gold tone. And there is a CD here, a CD here, CD. See, I like it. It's nice. I'm okay. Size is just enough for all my stuff when I go out. I like it. I'm happy with my purchase. I love the bag. So you guys, next time if you wanna buy a cheap bag, authentic bags for a cheaper price, you can go to realreal.com and you can buy Louis Vuitton bag, Prada, Christian Dior, all the luxury bags. So check it out, it's online. Hey guys, comment below if you have a bag like this. Let me know. I'm happy with my purchase. Thank you. See you guys next time on our next video. Bye.